What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are on video number 2 of our series, and I'm excited. So let's see how it goes. So to start off, you will need not a container, but this is what I chose to keep mine in. You will need some paint, whatever paint you want. So I wanted, for my design, I wanted to paint like clouds or something, so I got black and white paint. You also need little like sponge things, and then get it. You also need paintbrushes to outline if you're doing anything that I'm doing. So what you need to do is, if you're not at a table like I am not, I'm on my floor which has carpet, then you might want to lay down newspaper so that you don't make a mess, because paint does not come off, my friend. Okay, excuse me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so my design is kind of like a cloud. That's what I envisioned. I'm not sure if it looks exactly like that on my drawing, but that's what I want to do. So we're gonna try and recreate that now. Make sure, you guys, that if you're doing a design like me, the same thing, make sure that your pants, the other side color is not showing, and that you're getting on that side, unless you're not doing what I'm doing and that's what you want. Okay? All right.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me.
Alright, you guys, I think that just about wraps up this video. I don't know if you could tell or not, but I did have a slight alteration to my design. I did decide to show my mom what my pants looked like before, you know, right after I painted the clouds on there, and she gave me a few tips. So I did end up changing it a bit, just a little bit. So you guys will see what that looks like in a little bit. It's just gonna dry for a bit, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys be careful with this paint. I was trying to be so careful because, you know, I don't want paint on my clothes. I didn't want paint on the carpet, on the walls, the bed, anywhere but on the pants. And I did. I managed to put my whole hand on there. So just be careful. It's paint can get everywhere. Okay, so I'm all done, and as I'm looking at it, I really am happy with it. So we'll see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and like, and of course subscribe. And I will meet you guys back in my next video.